Hi everyone, I watched Paper Crafty and she showed how to mass make hidden paper clips. And I'm still working on the Holtz Industrial pack. So I'm going to mass make paper clips. And I took this piece of paper, cardstock actually, that has these little pictures on it to make it with. She put her inside with book pages. I did try that, but when I went to slide them on, the book pages, I don't know, they just crumpled up, so I did something wrong. So she uses also the smaller paper clips. I'm using the big ones because the Dollar Tree is my friend. And she said to put the long end to the front. And she also emphasized that, you know, they don't have to be even front to back with the paper because it's going to be hidden anyway. So I'm just going to do 6 of them with this square. And you do want to keep the paper clip straight as you can. So once she had that done, they're already buckling up. I don't know. Anyway, once she had that done, she took her paper that she was going to use on her outside and folded it. Now this one needs to be pretty straight because this is what's going to be showing. And it's about as straight as I'm going to get it without my little grid, and I don't know where it is. Anyway, then she put wet glue stick on this side. Okay, next she put wet glue, which she used matte medium, but I don't have any bottled right now, so I am going to use the art glitter glue and just put it where the paper clip is, kind of to anchor it, keep it in place. I probably put way too much. So then you set it in the center, like so, and fold that top piece down over it, where you have your glue stick. Okay, yeah. You can see that's going to work. I'm going to kind of burnish this in a little bit just to make sure it sticks. Might have needed more glue stick. If I do, I'll come back and redo it. But I thought it was a neat idea, and I wanted to share it with you guys in case you didn't know about how to make more than one at a time, because it can take forever to just do one of these. I'll put a little more glue this time. Seriously, I am going to douse it up good so I don't have to come back. And then fold this part over. And yeah, it's sticking out down here, but that's fine. I can lace it, trim it, whatever I need to. Now once it dries, I can come back and cut a square at a time out and decorate them. So let's wait for that, okay? And I'll be back. Okay guys, they're dry. They're cut out, and they're trimmed up. Now what I've done is I always keep my package pieces that are cardboard or chipboard even, and I'll reuse them in a craft, but in this instance I clipped all the paper clips on to here. But I don't know yet what project they will be used in. So I don't want to go ahead and decorate them. So this would just go down in the file, marked vintage. And, you know, put it in one of the little cellophane bags, put it in a file, have a little tab pop up saying paperclip bases. And that way when I'm ready to make hidden paper clips, I already have some bases made up, and all I have to do is just reach in there, pull them out, decorate them to go with whatever I'm making at the time. But to make them ahead, I'm going to end up with a bunch that will never get used. And I learned that the hard way. So now I just make bases on everything. Tags, paper clips, little insert journals. And I also made this using the Tim Holtz pack. And all the paper inside of this little journal and the inside cover is going to be from that. But, yeah, I'm going to have to copy it onto regular paper. Well, not all of it, because I have started putting some paper packs together with some scraps I have. But, you know, most of it I will copy onto regular paper, cut it down to size. It will go in here as a little journal, and I'll have staggered pages in it. So this is project number 5 of my 100 things. Hey, it may not sound like a lot, but I'm getting there. 5. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.